Welcome to Autopilot's training video series designed to help you get the most from your ProfitPilot system. This video is one in the series on promotions and will cover how to set up gift cards in your system. Now, let's begin. First, we'll access the ProfitPilot back office by opening an internet browser window and entering www.profitpilot.net. Go ahead and enter your username and password to load the system. Once the system is loaded, click the Promotions tab. All of your promotions are available from this one page. We'll go ahead and focus on gift cards. If you have not created any gift cards and your ProfitPilot is brand new, this section will be blank. If you've already created gift cards, you will see them listed here. Any gift card that's already been created, you will be able to view the card data, the history, edit, and also delete. We'll walk through how to create a gift card from scratch. From the Actions box in the upper left-hand corner, we'll click Prepaid Gift Card. This will open an empty window so we can now add a new gift card promotion. We'll enter a name for the gift card as well as a description. You'll want to specify the gift card department for this card. In selling information, we'll specify the amount that we're going to sell this gift card for. If you are going to do a fixed price, you'll want to enter that amount here. For example, the customer would have to give you $20. You can also set your price to be prompt for price. When the system prompts the cashier, the customer can enter any dollar amount that they would like to have on their gift card. For example, they could add $10, $20, or even $50. The amount doesn't matter. The system will simply prompt the cashier to enter the correct price that the customer would like to add to the card. In promotion details, you can enter a bonus value on the card. For example, if you were to run a special for every customer that buys a $50 gift card, you may want to give them an additional $10 of value to spend on their card. So the customer would receive $60 on their gift card by only paying $50. If you do not want to enter a bonus value, leave this set to 0. You can specify the maximum dollar amount allowed to be put on a gift card. When the cashier is selling from the point of sale, they would not be able to sell a gift card with more than $1,000 on it if we were to leave the setting set at $1,000. You can specify an expiration date for your gift card. Notice from the drop-down you can also specify day, month, or year. If you would like to make your gift card virtually unlimited, you'll want to set this setting for a high number such as 10 years. The Customer Link Required checkbox is very helpful. If you want to require that your cashier choose a customer's information on a gift card sale, you'll want to check the box. This is a great reminder for your cashier because it won't let them sell the gift card without first attaching the customer's information to the transaction. If you don't want your cashier to capture a customer's information, you can simply uncheck the box. The Card Must Be Present checkbox is for transactions that require the physical gift card to be present. If this box is not checked, the cashier can simply manually enter the gift card number. As a security measure, you may want to check this box to require the cashier to have the gift card in their hand before they can process the transaction. You also have the option to subtract this transaction from the dollar over base report. This is for facilities that do track commissions for their greeters. If you would like to exclude any promotion redemptions from your dollar over base report, you'll want to check the box. And finally, at the bottom, you will specify the items that this promotion will apply to. You can specify from the list any items that it will apply to, or for a gift card, you'll almost certainly want to leave this set to all items. What this means is that your customer can use their gift card to purchase any item that's available for sale at your wash. When you've set all of the parameters for your gift card, you'll want to click Submit to save your changes. Once saved, you'll see your gift card listed in the main promotions page. If you need to edit your gift card, find it in the list under Gift Cards and simply click the wrench under the Edit column. This will reopen the same window and you can then make any changes to that gift card's parameters. Once changes are complete, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the window and click Submit. Once you've created your gift card promotion, you'll probably want to add it to a selling button. Remember, your cashier will then need to sell your gift card from the point of sale. Your gift card will automatically display in the Items tab on the point of sale, but if you'd like to assign it to a specific button on the screen, you'll want to do that now. To assign a button, click the Setup tab. From the Setup tab, click POS Buttons from the Setup menu on the left. This will display a graphical representation of the sales buttons that you have available on your point of sale screen. Specify the page you'd like to add this button to. Click an empty link on a button. In Key Type, click the drop-down menu. Choose Promotion. Specify your promotion type as gift card. From the Promotion drop-down, choose the gift card that you just created. Enter the key text or the words the cashier will see on this button. When done, click Update Key to add this button to your point of sale. Your changes to the point of sale buttons will go down to the point of sale in a batch. If you have automatic batching enabled, it will happen without any further intervention on your part. If not, go ahead and submit a manual batch to send the change down to your point of sale. Remember, any changes to point of sale buttons do require a restart of your point of sale for the new change to take effect. Now let's switch over to our point of sale to see how to sell and redeem a gift card. From the point of sale screen, make sure that your cashier has entered their user ID and password to log into the system. We have our gift cards programmed on the Promotions tab. Keep in mind that you may have your gift cards programmed on a different button on your actual point of sale screen. We can sell a gift card one of two ways. We can either click on the $20 gift card button and sell it without attaching a customer's information, or we can select a customer first and then sell the gift card. We'll go ahead and we'll walk through both different options. To sell a $20 gift card, we'll click on the button. This will bring up the gift card processing window. At this moment, you'll then swipe your gift card on the card swipe that's located on the side of your ProfitPilot touchscreen. You'll see the number for the gift card automatically enter into the gift card number field. If you were not using a plastic gift card, you could also use the keypad on the screen to manually enter the card number associated with your gift card. Once the number has been entered or swiped, you'll want to click OK. This will commit the transaction and you'll now see a $20 gift card sale located in the items list. The total for this transaction is $20. At this point, the cashier can now render payment. You could use a quick cash key or enter a specific tender type. We'll enter a $20 quick cash. The gift card has now been activated with $20 of value. You can give it to your customer for use. Remember, gift cards are a dollar amount placed on the card and your customer can now use it to purchase any item at your car wash. The second way to sell a gift card is to attach a customer's information to that card. To do that, you'll want to first select your customer's information. You can do that by entering the license plate search or going to the Customers tab. We'll go ahead and select License Plate Search. We'll enter our customer's tag number and then click Select. This will add the customer to the transaction and we can see their information listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Now we'll sell the $20 gift card as we did before. The only difference is that now the same $20 gift card will be linked to this customer's account. We'll tender out the transaction. And now if we go to view the history for this customer, we'll be able to see the gift card that was purchased. You'll see the date and time and the gift card as well as the gift card number that was assigned to the transaction. If you ever want to look up your customer's information, this is a great way to be able to attach their purchases to their record in your system. We highly recommend that any gift cards are always sold directly to a customer and their information is linked to the transaction. We'll clear the information and return back to the point of sale screen. Now the same gift card that was just sold, if we would like to do an inquiry to see how much money is still left on a gift card, we can do that through the balance inquiry. On our system, the balance inquiry is located on the Selling Functions page. You'll want to click Selling Functions and then select Promotion Balance Inquiry. This will display a window, and from the window you're able to swipe the customer's card or manually enter the number. Once entered, the system will automatically display the current remaining balance on the gift card. If you linked the customer's information to this gift card, you will also be able to view it on the Customer tab. If this customer has made purchases on their gift card, you'll be able to see the purchase history on the History tab. You'll see the full $20 we've put on the gift card is still remaining in the system. We'll cancel to clear the window and return back to our main point of sale screen. Now let's cover how the cashier will redeem a gift card when a customer comes in to use it. The cashier will first select the customer. This time we'll do it from selecting the Customers tab. Once the customer is selected, we'll now sell them a wash. You'll see the item listed in the items list, and this time instead of paying with cash, we're going to specify the gift card tender type. At this point, your cashier would simply swipe the gift card on the side of the touchscreen monitor. Keep in mind that if a gift card with a magnetic strip were to fail for whatever reason, the cashier could always manually enter the number as well. We'll click OK, and this transaction will now be completed, and the $3 balance will be deducted off our gift card. We can return back to the promotion balance inquiry, enter our gift card number, and see that our balance is now $17. We're able to see the history of purchases on the History tab, where we can see the initial $20 was added to our card and $3 was deducted. When done viewing the information, simply click Cancel to close the window. If a customer would like to add additional value to their existing gift card, you can do that as well. A gift card that is already out in circulation can simply be recharged with the additional value. The amount will simply be added to any remaining value that was left on the card. Let's go ahead and recharge an existing gift card. First thing we'll do is select the customer's account. This will add it to the transaction. Then we'll go back to our promotions page and select $10 gift card. This will ask us for the gift card number, and we'll enter the number that we've been using. Remember, a cashier would simply swipe the card through the credit card swipe on the side of the monitor. We'll click OK, and we'll now accept payment for the additional $10 that we want to put onto the gift card. If we recheck the balance of our card, we'll now see the additional $10 in value has been added to the $17 that was originally on the card. From the History tab, we'll be able to see the additional amount that was added to the card as well as the date and time that it was added. If you're interested in selling gift cards at your wash but you do not have the actual plastic cards, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-876-3900 and speak with our sales department. We can create a custom gift card specifically for your wash with your logo and colors that will work perfectly for your system. And finally, if you'd like to see detailed card information about all gift cards that are out in circulation, you can do that as well from the back office software. We'll go ahead and switch back to the back office. In the back office software, we'll want to click the Promotions tab. From Promotions, we'll scroll down and we'll see a list of all of our available gift cards. To view detail for the card data, we'll click the icon in the Card Data column. This will display detailed information about any gift cards that have been issued under this category. We can also click the wrench in the Edit column to edit the information for this gift card. From here, you can see the card ID, the customer number, the dollar balance remaining on the card, the expiration date, the date the card was issued, whether or not this card is active and available for sales transactions, and a checkbox to cancel any recurring transactions that are associated with this card. Once all changes have been made, click the Submit button to save your changes. To change the parameters that you sell a gift card by, you'll want to click the wrench under the Edit column. This will open up the window that was initially used to create the gift card. Make any changes that you'd like and then click the Submit button at the bottom. You can also view the transaction history for any outstanding gift cards by clicking the icon in the History column. This will display the transaction history for the gift card. We can view details of this transaction. From here, we'll be able to see all of the transaction information, whether or not a customer was attached to the transaction, the individual description of the gift card that was sold, the subtotal, the tax, and the tender type used to pay for this gift card. From this window, you can also post a void transaction. This will void the individual transaction associated with this gift card. Remember that all voided transactions do remain in the system. However, the tender type that was used to pay for the transaction is removed, so that amount will be taken out of your sales totals for the day. You can also print the customer a detailed invoice for their transaction. We'll do this by clicking Detailed Invoice in the Actions box on the left. We can see the invoice information displayed on the screen, and if we'd like to print this information, we now have a print page available in our Actions box, or we could print or export the information from the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. To return back to our main gift cards window, we'll simply click the Promotions tab to be returned to the beginning. And this concludes the promotions video on gift cards. We hope you found the information helpful and informative.